ang mga interview ng mga ganyan, ng mga broadcaster, kag mga journalist, akong gawin yung spokesperson. Kasi, mabilis ako magsalita, 1 million words per minute, kanyang kaya ko na sila when they talk over me. The moment they speak when my lips is still moving, pirahon ko sila na yun, can't you see my lips still moving, sis? Why are you talking over me? Do you want me to answer your questions? Or would you like to have the fucking floor? Why am I even here? Kung ikaw na naman pala di puta ang pwede pakinggan. Ginagawa mo lang ko dito, dekorasyon. Ako ang gina-interview o ikaw ang gina-interview.
You are framing it as a diminution of Philippine sovereignty.
We're not the part of the ICC,
we're talking of the international community here. Hindi
Yes, we're not part of the ICC, ma'am. I beg you to understand. We're not part of their own statute anymore. We withdrew, and that was affirmed in the Pangilinan versus Cayetano case. With
Yes.
all
Saan ka ba nung nag-withdraw si Tatay Digong sa ICC? For women like you who claims to be fucking intelligent, you came down to this, you di puta, embarrassing question and answer portion out of spite. Iyot. Wala na ko believe sa imo kutob sa buong ses. Ayaw ko na sa iyo. Katulad ka mo sa gagagaga nga si Titanic. Kay Senator Bato, mapakita sa ngayon, you do not fucking read. You haven't read our Constitution? Saan ka ba nung nag-withdraw si Tatay Digong sa ICC?
Shout out sa reaction vlog, YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.
Mars Bilatsing Iloy. Dagdagan nyo naman para yaw-yawin natin si Ces Drilon. Shout out kan dyan sa iyo, Ces Drilon, ex-kidnap woman. Wala na kayo ngayon sa pagrespeto sa mga ginapang interview nyo. Ito naman ang mga DDS din, with all due respect sa mga abogado, mga kaibigan ko naman sila eh. Sina Attorney Jimmy Bondoc, sina Attorney Torion, mga kaibigan ko naman na sila, si Senator Bato, there are my friends dahil nga sa DDS. Huwag kayo magbigay ng interview sa mga alpot! Bilatsing Iloy, ginabastos ka mo sa mga bigaon, and because you are a gentleman, you are all statesmen, you refuse to rebut them properly. Kasi gaiwas kayo nga pagsabihan, kayo nga mga ungentleman kayo. So wag kayo magbigay sa kanila di putas ang do not grace their invitation. Si Jessica Suho nga Titanic man, numero 1 man ang gagagaga niya kabastos man, they are always giving you snide comments. Do not fucking grace their invitations. Dahil ang nangyayari putang ina, ginabastos ka muna isang mga alpot, and they try to make it look like that they are fierce, that they are strong, and they are hardcore. When you are in the mainstream media, Ces Drilon, ano gani ang una-una? What is the first cardinal rule?
we are just waiting for the government authorities to serve us a personal service po nung warrant, and also
Paano
we
po
await.
kung wala na nga, missing na nga si Senator, paano isi-serve?
That is the purpose of the lawyers, ma'am. We are his legal counsel. Ma'am, I hope you don't ridicule us, ma'am. No, we're doing our best to
I'm
be
not. You're
earnest
saying
with
you want the government to personally serve, but
Yes.
he ran
To
away.
us.
He ran away.
Abogado po kami. Abogado naman kami. Pwede naman po sa amin.
To make sure that you are supposed to dig up and to be, to be precise and border blunt sa mga gina-interview mo, but you do not sound arrogant at all. You should not. You maintain fucking decency. That is the cardinal rule of being a journalist. I should know. I studied that too. Bilatsing Iloy, mabuti sana kung ang mga kalidad mo lang mga sibugres ng rubo-rubo dito. Bilatsing Iloy, kung saan-saan ka na nakakapunta ever since, ever since ikaw talaga napakabayas mga klase ka sa pagkababae. Naawa lang ako sa iyo noon kasi naging kidnap. Kabalikan natin ang pagkidnap sa iyo. One moment. Ang mga stars, you guys. Puro kamutanan mga yudiputa, kamu mga bastos. You are using your being a feminine as a fucking tool, as a fucking arm, an armor, to try to dislodge your Bilatsing Iloy arrogance that is not confidence anymore. There is a thin red line between confidence and arrogance, and you are going beyond border. Kitab, ako wala pasagutin nyo ganito na lang, I am asking politely and humbly. Sa mga abogado dyan ni VP Sara, hindi ko kailangan maging abogado, matalino naman ako eh. Ang mga interview ng mga ganyan, ng mga broadcaster, kag mga journalist, akong gawin yung spokesperson. Kasi, mabilis ako magsalita, 1 million words per minute, kanyang kaya ko na sila when they talk over me. The moment they speak when my lips is still moving, pirahon ko sila na yun, can't you see my lips still moving, sis? Why are you talking over me? Do you want me to answer your questions? Or would you like to have the fucking floor? Why am I even here? Kung ikaw na naman pala di puta ang pwede pakinggan. Ginagawa mo lang ko dito, dekorasyon. Ako ang gina-interview o ikaw ang gina-interview. Why don't you set up a fucking scene here na gina-interview mo ang sarili mo tapos ikaw din na magsagot? Why did you even invite me and try to fucking lament about some personal grudges about your TV station that wasn't able to get a franchise anymore? Ang kanila ni nga ginabuisit nila ni sa Duterte, may mga hugot ni ang mga gaga. It's because during the term of Tatay Digong, they were lambasted from head to toe. They were confronted that the mainstream media does not deliver proper informations anymore. Kaaway nila si Tatay Digong, puro sila lahat mga bastos at mga bilat sing Iloy, so ginawarding sila ni Tatay Digong. So why do you even grace your invitation? This is what I don't understand.
Sorry, we're
We were
running
not
out of
served the
time, but I'd
warrant.
just like to point out, because he was running in the stairs and, even tripped. They were trying to serve the warrant on him.
No, they were not. They were not in possession of the warrant. Then they admitted that. In fact, Melvin Matibag said to Cayetano that we will give it to you. And then sabi niya, hindi sa Tuesday na lang. And then next time na lang. And then next time na lang. They did not serve as a warrant, no?
Diado kayo palagi sa mga alpot because you always have the fucking upper hand and the fucking floor. Ako si Jimmy Bundok, bilat sing Iloy, mayo kung kalusot ka sa ako ng gaga ka. Ako na lang ang kunin nyo. Tama ka, Chuna Ashley, if there is an interview regarding VP Sara and Senator Bato, sabihin nyo na lang ni sa mga gaga, kindly coordinate with Iloy Bugres. She will answer you precisely, authentically, and with full of decorations. She is raw, she is authentic, and she is somebody who doesn't give a flying fuck. Ako ang ipatawag nyo, ako interviewin nyo. Ano kanyang isasagot ng mga abogado nga hindi ko alam? Bilat sing Iloy, it doesn't take rocket science for me to explain to you why Senator Bato does not have to show his face publicly. Ikaw, sis, ilang drum ang ginihi mo nung kinuha ka sa Abu Sayyaf kag ginlakas tangan? Ilang dugo ang lumabas sa iyo, di puta kas ang ginapasapasahan ka sa mga Abu Sayyaf? Ilang luha, yu di puta? You cried a river for how many days? Nung kinidnap ka nila, ginasumpa-sumpa mo ang eksperyensya na yun, correct? Malala ang nangyari sa iyo. Lahat nga tao nagkaroon ng simpatya sa iyo. That was the reason I actually started to admire you because of your tenacity. Because of your courage to live. Na hindi ka nawalan sa pag-asa. I thought you were the epitome of a woman of decency, of justice. A woman of perseverance and benevolence, only to find out today, today or yesterday, that this is how you talk to people that did not do anything to you. And why do you fucking sound stupid? Na ano ka? Balikan tang iya nga kidnapuran sama, dali lang. Kung ano ka grabe ang pinagdanasan mo, yudi puta, tapos gusto mo kay Senator Bato mapakita sa ngayon, you do not fucking read. You haven't read our Constitution. Saan ka ba nung nag-withdraw si Tatay Digong sa ICC? For women like you who claims to be fucking intelligent, you came down to this, you di puta, embarrassing question and answer portion out of spite. Iyot. Wala na ko believe sa imo kutob subong ses. Ayaw ko na sa iyo. Katulad ka mo sa gagagaga nga si Titanic. 2008 veteran ABS-CBN Churu wrote, Maski Abu Sayyaf terrorist group in Sulu. While attempting to secure an interview with a militant leader, she was held for 10 days. Alongside recruit Jimmy Encarnacion and Angelo Valderrama. Si Loren Legarda, gani pala niyo ang nagnegosaryo di puta, tapos ngayon sinasakdal niyo. Ang 13 brave senators, kung wala kay Loren Legarda, yun di puta, nakurbib ka to siguro sa mga abusayap na mga manyakon. Hello lang daw sa mga abusayap, huwag kayong galit sa akin ng sir, ha? Ito naman ay para sa content lang, baka naman kasi magalit sa akin. Hello lang dyan. Sa mga kaibigan natin dyan nga mga abusaya, mag-behave kayo. Huwag kayong mag-ano, Charito Soles, makibaka, huwag matakot, ganun. Okay. So, ginransam ka. Sinuspend ka ng ABS-CBN for violating company's policy regarding risk in field reporting. Okay. Kaya ka pala galit kay Tatay Digong because you were retrenched. Because of the redundancy, nag-close ang ABS-CBN, galit ka. Alam mo, ang mga personal mo nga mga galit kay Tatay Digong, it should stay outside of the fucking TV station. It should stay outside of the fucking station because it has nothing to do with what is going on now with Bato. Dapat ko si Bato lang ang galit mo kay Tatay Digong, ginpasalo mo kay Jimmy Bundok. Gaga nga klase sa pag-interview, wala na ko bilib sa'yo. Years and years, you've been trying to keep this fucking honor and dignity, being a renowned and a veteran journalist. You should know better. Dapat na ang inyong mga ginakwan dito, ang inyong mga gina-feature ngayon that we are already drowning in the fucking quicksand. Our economy is drowning. And what kind of help do we need to do? You have to be fucking strong. Mag-dedicate kayo dapat kung paano kalkalin ang mga kawatan. You're not doing your job anymore. It's because you hate Tatay Digong for taking your jobs away from you. Why is that? Whose fault was that? Your fucking company didn't know how to pay your franchise and taxes as well. Kag wala na kayo nag-practice ang proper bilatsing Inoy dissemination of information. Journalism died because of your personal interest. So many things that was, gina-question na kayo. Pulok-pulok na wala na kayo sa linya, mag-question sana. Kung gusto nyo nga manatili ang mga news station nyo, dapat nag-adhere kayo sa rules and regulations. You made the fucking your company made the crucial fucking mistake na hindi mag-renew sa franchise and then you blame Tatay Digong for doing his job. Making your fucking company pay for the mistakes you've been doing for years. Gagawa ka po yan ang sinasabi, but you fucking beat on my foot and then you tell me it's raining? Putang ina ka kasi pa ako tapos sasabihin mo nababasa ka rin. Ano nga klase sa teorya? Kapag may ginawa kang kasalanan, pagkatapos may revenge sa'yo, huwag kang masurprise. Kung bakit nagbumirang sa'yo, kagagawan mo yan, tapos sinita ka, pinagbayar ka, punish ka, galit ka. Ginago. Share the life. Yeah, until now, the only one who maintains proper demeanor, who maintains professionalism is Corina Sanchez. She is the only one who deserves, an applaud from the rest of the Filipino people. She maintains that decency. She maintains grace, acceptable questions. She knows how to fucking put a break on her tongue. Her tongue does not run on a fucking treadmill. Kayo, si Titanic, si Karen Davila, ikaw, mga bastos ka mo. Hindi na kamo disinti, nagapanginit ang mga gaga. Pala kayo di puta, ganitong masasabi ko sa inyo. Kapag hindi na mukbang galing sa bahay, putang ina, bago pumunta sa trabaho, huwag munang pumasok sa trabaho. Nagagalit kasi kayo kapag hindi na binyagan ang mga putay nyo eh. Share the live. Kasi si Corina, hindi mo mabibili si Corina eh. Si Corina kasi marami na ng pera yan. Kinawawa kag binastos nyo si Attorney Jimmy Bundok. Sandali lang. Let me pull up the thing.
So, until
okay. But if we'll be arguing till tomorrow. But just
No,
the
but
same,
that's very important to concede.
What is important is why Senator Bato left the supposed protective custody of the Senate to go missing. Yun po yung issue. Ba't hindi po niya harapin?
No, serve as the warrant.
Yun yung tanong po. Yun yung, in the end, the most important question. He showed
think
up to vote, to unseat, to cast his vote for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as president, who was behind our withdrawal from the Rome Statute. He was foreign secretary then, correct? And then to go missing after, it seems it's unbecoming, to say the least.
A little correction, it was the president, of course, President Duterte was
Of
the
course,
chief
sir,
architect.
pero
Siya yung nag-withdraw. Ngayon, pagdating po
but
kay
we thank
Senator
you for your
Bato,
time. I'm sorry we do, one final explanation na lang po kung pwedeng maikli na lamang.
well,
Mga ako ning mga kausap mo, bilat sing iloy. Marubo-rubo kita. Biragaon, nakasaguton, ano kayo yaman? Don't you see my lips moving? Kagagagaki mo yung invite me here to what? To embarrass? To humiliate me? Gaga. Ang mga bakba sa mga gagapangingit, sabi na makikita mo talaga she is annoyed, kulang na ng murahe niya si Jimmy Bundok, putang ina mo! Bakit nagpapakita si Bato dito? Nonsense! Nakakahiya, putang ina, saan napunta ang mga neurons mo, ma'am?
Is really compared to other legislators who surrendered even at the Senate, who faced the music and waited to be cleared by courts of law.
I invite you, ma'am,
Can't he
Tingnan niyo,
do the same?
I invite you, ma'am, to imagine this scenario. No? For example po, just in case, i-declare po ng Supreme Court, and we are, as lawyers, we cannot do that, no? But we are just
Can you send
imagining.
me, hold on, can you send me the full video of this? Kasi nirecord ko lang ni kanina eh. Saan nga ni siya? One News. Sandali, hanapin ko bla. Or if you can send me the link, guys. Kita yung gaga niya. Why can't he be one of the legislatures who surrendered to the law? The difference, Mrs. Drilon, between Senator Bato and Triniring and the rest of the motherfuckers before that was arrested is that the arrest warrant that was given to Trillanes came from the courts of the Philippines. Bilatsing iloy, paulit-ulit daw mga uli. Ano na tadi bilatsing iloy iyo di puta? Wala gani si Bato sang krimen sa Pilipinas. Kung buot, file ka mo sang kaso, yada o iyo di puta sa Regional Trial Court. Open ka mo sa kaso yung murder or genocide para mawarag o baris na sa Pilipinas ang bububo nyo. I'm no lawyer, but I've been a paralegal for a long time here. Common sense. Gusto nyo get mapreso si Bato? Kasuhin nyo na sa Supreme Court para may laban ka mo. Kwaon si Bato, there is a warrant of arrest existing right now. Under the rules of law in the Philippines, di kundi daog ka mo. Wala gani, sis. Ilang abogado na, sis, madam. Madam na maliliit ang ngipin mo na hindi na tumubo ang ngipin mo. Ang size ng ngipin mo, puro dagol. Ang haba sa ngipin mo, puro na sila lahat, 0.1 cm daw nag-stop ang growth ng mga ngipin mo. Kasabi ng Panginoon, kung palakihin ko pang ngipin niya, daw si Alipot na ganyan sa magsalita. Kaya babaan mo lang, oy, San Pedro, ang ngipin niya ganyanin mo lang, huwag mong palang patakasin ang ngipin, huwag mong gawin 5 foot.